Good morning, y'all. This is going to be a very short, sweet, quick video. A very rare one for me. But it's a practical use video. It's nothing custom, nothing unique to any specific car. You can use it for anything, but it's actually pretty cool. I learned about it yesterday when I was watching a video and I had to do something in my car. And it worked. So here's the video. Pretty cool. Alright, welcome back to whatever I do here. I got wrenches in my hand. We're working on this pig. It is April 17th, 2026. And I've been working on this thing, getting it ready for a show tomorrow. I got the brake fluid changed. Got my wheels back on. And I found my oil pan drain plug is leaking a little bit, and I think that's where my oil leak is coming from. I don't think it's the oil pan itself. Cross my fingers. But I'm going to attempt to change my oil plug without draining the oil. I just changed it too, and I'm not going to drain that oil again. I don't want to spend the money on it because it's expensive. I've seen online where they've got a few videos of a shop vac, hooked it to the oil fill port, and it's supposed to create a vacuum in the engine, and when you pull the plug out, no oil comes out. So I'm going to give it a shot and see what happens. If I get oil coming out, then I get oil coming out, but I'm hoping it works. So let's get to it and see how it goes. Working. Can you believe that? That actually worked. I love it. I love it. Well, that worked like a charm. And no oil. No oil in the vacuum. Gotta love that. And it was definitely the oil plug that was leaking because it had a couple drips on it. So hopefully that fixed my oil leak. Got the old plug here. I'm going to put a new O-ring on it and keep that as a spare. So I'm glad that worked. I really am super glad that worked. Now we'll keep an eye on it and make sure we don't have a leak somewhere else. But that one's fixed. So that's going to do it for this little quick short video. As always, stay safe, stay grape. God bless, and enjoy today and tomorrow. Later.